Get ready for a colorful adventure to create the stunning pink pan pizza infused with the goodness of beetroot and our homemade sauces. Let's dive in.
Pizzas are simple, but when we want to infuse them with nutrition, we have to rewind the reel and start over. Let's dive into the detailed recipe. I'm starting with cheese spread. Take some paneer cubes, hung curd, oregano, salt, black pepper, and garlic cloves. Ground this in a fine paste. Tada! Homemade cheese spread is ready. Let's make pizza sauce. Saute some fine chopped onions in a pan. Add some garlic cloves, bell peppers, and tomatoes. And add all spices, salt, oregano, black pepper. And saute until it becomes mushy. And ground it in a smooth paste. Tada! Pizza sauce is ready. Final stage. I have taken utpam batter for the pizza base. Take some grated beetroot and mix it in batter well. I am sorting the toppings a little bit as we are making pan pizza. Sometimes it tastes raw. Grease the pan with some butter. Spread the pink batter on a pan and keep it little thick. Cover it with lid and keep the flame on medium. Flip it and spread the pizza sauce and spread the cheese and set the toppings and cook it for another 4 minutes and tada! Your pizza is ready! Pink pan pizza!